Hey guys, how are you doing? So my renter has left the house, and I create a series of videos to just show you guys. I know every time renters always get the sympathy against the landlord. We landlords are very bad, evil character. We should be murdered, you know. But I'll show you what the renter has done. Right? He has left. There are two smoke detectors. There is the basement, and there is another in the main level. In both the smoke detectors, he had not even left a battery. He just took out the batteries from both smoke detectors. I don't know, for his maybe new place where he has bought or where he's going to rent again and disturb another, torture another homeowner to heart fail or stroke. But you see, there is no battery in these smoke detectors, and that's why it is beeping continuously. And I will show you the other. So this is the first one in the basement. Okay, there was nothing. I mean, there is nothing, no battery in the. Have you ever left a home like this? In both, you have even taken the battery. I don't know how people can do that, right? Okay, this is the first. This is the first, right? Now I'll show you the seconds. Stop the video, please. Ready? Okay. So this is entitled tenant number act number 2, right? You saw the video when he basically took the battery from the um, smoke detector downstairs. He also did it for the smoke detector upstairs, right? This is the second battery I bought today to stop this. Have you ever done this? When you move house, you basically take both batteries. I need to see the groove inside. Okay. You have basically taken both the batteries from all the smoke detectors in the home to use in your newly purchased home, and didn't tell your landlord that you have done that. Have you done that? It's probably broken this, but anyway. No, this is the right way. Let me down and see it. This detector. This is not big enough for me. Okay. Okay. I think it is this way. That way is not going there. No. This is done. This is his entitled behavior number 2. The smoke detector upstairs. Again, he took the battery out of the smoke detector. I don't know to save how much. So he left the entire house without any battery in any smoke detector. Right? I'm now feeling very good that I have basically engaged a lawyer to chase him out of this home. Why wouldn't he do that? Because he was living in this house for 7 years, paying 300 less than the market price. That's why he was not going out. Anyway, so this is the second act. Okay, then I'll show you the third act. How are you guys? So this is entitled act number 3 from my entitled tenant. So please come here. There is a door. This is the fully furnished basement with a fireplace and all the HVAC. Even there is a restroom for this thing, right? This basement, there is enough storage. So here there is a door, right? There is a door to separate it from the upstairs. This door is missing. You'll probably not even know unless you see the hinge here from where he has uprooted the door. You see? He just took it out from here, yanked out from here. And this was the hinge of the door. Show them this, please. This is where the door lock used to go. Okay? So then we called him, like, where is the door? Why did you take the door? Then there is another door we had here, right, in the basement, because there are many things inside. There is a small cupboard inside. You see what happened to the hinge of the door? That's missing. Has your tenant done that? If you are a tenant, do you do this when you leave your apartment? After you live there for 300 less than market price for 7 years, do you do this? All right. Let us show you where we find them. Okay, please come in. So here's the bathroom, half bath for the basement, and we finally found it here. Do you see? This is the door that they took out from there and just left it and didn't even bother to tell us. As part of the lease, you are not supposed to, modify, something like this to the house. And I think I saw I didn't see the hinge that he has stolen from the other door. So that's gone. And this is how he has left the ceiling of this bath. Can you see? And this is the ceiling of the bath. I don't know whether you can see. They're all wet, and anything from the bath in the top floor is leaking here continuously. So I have to bring my plumber in and see what has really happened. He didn't even bother to tell me that this is the condition. I'm sure he was not able to live like this. So I guess what he did is, just before going in, he did something in the top floor. Because obviously he has not been able to do, because with this condition he will not be able to use the two baths in the first floor. And since the water is dropping continuously, you can't use the bath here, right? So although we came in to take a look, we have to go now. Because without bathroom we cannot stay, right? You cannot call in contractors and fix. They'll ask us like what to do. We have to, show them something. This is how he's left it, right? So this is the act number 3. And stay with us. I'll show you many more of the act of our entitled tenant. All right, stay with us.